How's it going, everyone? I'm going to talk about my market analysis for this fourth quarter of 2024. And I feel like I need to do this because in my heart, I feel like people are lost when it comes to crypto and it's timing. When are the bulls coming? The next round of bulls. In other words, I'm just going to clarify things right now about the upcoming things that are going to happen in the crypto market. Because I can see people going from one end to another with these so-called money prophecies, talking about you will receive money this day. Oh no, your money is coming out this month. And stuff like this has been happening for the past year, or at least, 2 years probably. And it's important to study charts, guys. When people start talking about money prophecies and they do it very often, I mute them or I unsubscribe from them. Yeah, just for my sanity, to be honest, because you don't want to feel lied to back to back all the time when these people are telling you, oh yeah, you're gonna get a house by this time, you're gonna get this and that and whatever. You know what I mean? And then the sad part is that the remnant, the sheep, still go back to these guys, even though they lied, even though they made false prophets. They go back to these guys. It's kind of like an addiction. You're waiting for the next high. You want to get that to that high level once again. And sometimes you just got to break it because you're not going to see no change if you're still doing the same thing. And the second group of people are the pack of wolves, the crypto influencers. And these people like to induce emotions into everybody when the market goes up or it goes down. In the end of the day, I see that they're doing this for entertainment and just for money, for profits, for views. They tell you what to sell, they tell you what to buy. But in the end of the day, when they give a prediction, the time passes and nothing happens. They predict, and the time passes and that doesn't happen. So this is like a soap opera. This is like entertainment. This is kind of like WWE. In the end of the day, that's how I see it. That's how I see it from my lens when I'm looking at them. But at the end of the day, they're deceiving people. This is not accurate. Like some of the chart analysis is not. When the time frame passes, nothing really happens. And it's just smoke and mirrors. So I'm going to give some clarity about my crypto market analysis and my speculation. All right, this is not prophecy. This is not a dream, or else I would have said it. Okay. So this is what I think. This is my speculation. All right. I want you to pay attention to the next month. September, second half of September, the latter half of September specifically. And in my speculation, I think that the third and fourth week of September are vital when it comes to the crypto market. All right. What else do we have? What other financial event do we have around that time? I think, is it September 17th or 18th? We have the Fed doing finally some rate cuts. So that's some good news, primarily for the Americans and the rest of the world. So that's going to give some air to breathe for the financial markets. Is that the reason why I'm saying that the crypto market will go up around that time? Probably, but not specifically, to be honest. I follow patterns, in all due honesty. I study the charts and I follow patterns. That's what I do. So when it comes to these patterns that I've been following, I would say sometime around, like I said, third week and fourth week of September, that's when specifically Bitcoin should be going up once again. When I say it's going up, it's going to go up. Like, I'm not saying like explosively up, but it's going to go up to the point that it's not going down. Like, it's going to go down. You maybe some 10, 20, maybe even 30%, but it's going to go on an average going up, especially October. Especially October. I can see that in my chart analysis. And moving on to November, like I said, expect 10, 20, even 30% drops on the way up. These are whales selling, and they're just selling on their way to the top. They're selling, buying, selling, or whatever. when it comes to the next few months for the fourth quarter, primarily Bitcoin is going to go up, because remember, Bitcoin drags all the coins at the moment. Bitcoin is the crypto that drags all the altcoins with it. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say right now. Yeah, so expect by the latter half of September for crypto to go up. Now, what I'm thinking, it's going to go slowly up. You know what I mean? When crypto starts going aggressively higher, I think it'll kick in October, November-ish. So October, November. I'm aiming more to October. But be expectant of these 10, 20% drops, even 30% drops. Now, you might ask me, what if they rug pull us? That is also possible, okay? So we already talked about this before in my past videos. We don't wait for falling knives. We don't catch falling knives. We let the bots do that, which is that's why we put in the orders. We wait for those orders to be filled. We don't catch falling knives. We don't wait for them. So, yeah, like I said, we don't catch the falling knives. We let the bots do that for us. And on the way up, yeah, hang on. It's gonna get intense. Some people, maybe when I had that dream, for any of those of you guys that remember my past dream about spring, I was thinking now it was probably referring to 2025, because remember I said it felt like it was 2024, but maybe that dream, when all of you guys were approaching me and y'all were asking me when to sell, maybe that was referring to spring of 2025, and that's probably more than likely that's going to happen. Like I've said before. Now, that's it. So it's going to kick in. Don't expect a major pump in later in the latter half of September. It's going to pump, but I'm not going to say aggressively up. I'd say you wait for that until October and onwards. But you're going to start seeing a market shift in the latter half of September. Like I said, I'm following the patterns. That's what I've been doing. Follow the patterns of each cycle. And that's what I got. So just so you guys can keep more patience in your bag and not expect things to go, oh, I'm getting this the next week or whatever, or get swayed by all these money prophecies as well. I mean, it's nice to feel good, but when these, there's people that say it every week and everything, it's, I'm concerned for the followers, you know what I mean? I mean, it shouldn't be my concern of what people are going through or whatever, but hey, I mean, sometimes I feel for you guys, and I just don't want you to fall for the same trap over and over, and being so gullible, you know what I mean? Being so naive. And then the sad part is that the same people that got tricked and nothing happened, they still keep on going to the same people looking for some more sugar, because they're on that sugar high. Because they always like to listen to good news and everything like that. But there's got to be a time that you got to catch the trend and be like, hey, this has got to stop. It always keeps on happening and I don't see no progress. So I gotta, the buck stops with me. So we have decisions in life as well to continue things or stop things. All right, guys, that's it for now. I am expectant, like I said, on the latter half of September. And from that point, like I said, it should be like a moderate pump. It shouldn't be or maybe a settle pump. We should be expecting a market shift going upwards. And then October, that's where the action starts, in my opinion. In my speculation, that's where the action starts. For all crypto, primarily Bitcoin. I'm talking right now for Bitcoin at the moment. All right, so that's it. God bless you all, guys. Take care. Take care of your health as well, okay? I'm seeing all these Christian influencers. Some of you guys are talking about taking care of your health. This is very important. That is very important. Okay, so take care of your health. And that's it. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.